Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about something really quick. This really is going to be a very quickly filmed video just because number one, my battery is super duper low, and number two, there's only one thing that I want to show you here. And so what we're going to be talking about is the Farfetch sale that just occurred. I'm not sure if it's still going on. I want to quickly get this information out to you just so you can take advantage of it. Farfetch, a website that sells luxury and designer items, has been having a sale, and they were offering up to 50% off on select items. So I went and had a look around being curious, and I actually found something that I liked and purchased. So the thing that I found, and I'm really excited about this because it's so different from what I typically get, are these espadrilles, these wedge platformed espadrilles. Just want to give you a second to take a good look. So it's a blue denim kind of color, which I really like. Blue has been my favorite color lately. I've been obsessed with blue. I think these would look really great for summer. It's called the Chiara 80mm wedge platform espadrilles, and here it is. It's beautiful. The brand is called Castaner. I want to say Castaner or Castaner. I will link it down below. So I bought it for $79, which was 30% off the original price of $112. I'm actually really happy with this. I tried it on with a bunch of outfits. I was skeptical when I got it. I always see every year, every summer, I see people wearing these shoes and styling them with really pretty summer outfits, and I guess I just took the plunge and I decided to give it a try. So I got it. I was a little skeptical and kind of scared and worried when it arrived, but I styled it and I was immediately happy with it because it just looks so beautiful with certain outfits. It just takes it to another level. It just looks like a summer shoe. So to describe it a little bit, I would say these are very comfortable, and I think that you actually could do some walking in these a few blocks. At least I've been walking around in my in my home. I know that's a lot different than walking outside in heels, but I haven't had any kind of problem so far. I think I've been wearing them for 3 hours straight today, and well, they're just fine. You tie the laces around your ankles in whatever style you like, and you kind of wear them like that, and that's pretty much how they fasten. They're a little bit loose, but I think they were still pretty secure on. Now it may be different when I walk on the street, of course, because you might think you're good in heels at home, and then you get out and walk and it's like a whole new world. But as far as I know right now, these are really comfortable. These are really great, and I hope you give it a try because they're just, I mean, come on. I've seen so many of these kinds of espadrilles. If you don't like the wedge heel, there's a flat version of it, and I will link down below different options, but I wanted to talk about how I styled them. So I wanted to give different kinds of styling options. So the first way I styled it was what was a dress but is now a top due to an unfortunate accident, and it works out just fine. I wanted to describe kind of a sundress look. I wanted to show that you can wear it with a sundress and it looks really nice. I wore mine with shorts underneath because it's really short right now, but I think with a sundress it's kind of a no-brainer. It looks really good. The next outfit that I wore was a really casual, kind of flowy, almost beachy vibe outfit. It's actually this button down that I'm wearing right now from Cotton On, and also with shorts also from Cotton On. It's kind of a set. I want to say it's a set. A very nice flowy linen material, lightweight. I just wanted to show that you can dress this look up and dress it down, and that makes for a very versatile kind of look and a very versatile kind of shoe, which is what I really wanted to show you. So another look I put together is kind of a casual yet just a tiny bit dressed up look. And the reason why I did this look is because I kind of wanted to give the idea of traveling. So you want to look a little bit cute, but you also want to be comfortable. You're going to be walking around a lot. So I wore a wrap dress from Aritzia that I got a while ago. I want to say a year ago. And I styled it with the wedges because the wedges, again, the fact that they're platform, they make for a really comfortable shoe, great for walking around. And maybe you won't be walking around a ton, so you won't have to worry about your feet killing you, but it can get you a few blocks of walking, you know, maybe a mile of walking, and I think you'd be fine, and it would look really, really cute. There are so many ways you can wear these. You can style them with jeans, you can style them with some trousers. I think some palazzo pants would look great because those are the ones that are really, really long, and it will make you look really tall with these with the wedges and the platform look. So I'm really excited to keep styling these. I want to see how you guys style them. I want to see if you guys buy this or anything from the Farfetch sale. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment sharing your Instagram so that I can see your pictures of your shoes or how you style your espadrilles. And again, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.